Are you tired of watching your bank account hit 0 days before your next paycheck arrives? Do you feel like no matter how hard you work, you just can't get ahead? You're not alone, and more importantly, you're not stuck. In this video, we'll break down exactly how to stop living paycheck to paycheck. No fluff, just proven strategies to help you break the cycle and start building real financial security. Stick around, because I'll also share tools and platforms like Chime, SoFi, Fidelity, and TurboTax that can help you take action today. Like, subscribe, and download the free Break the Paycheck Cycle toolkit in the description below. Let's first understand why so many people feel trapped financially. Lack of a budget. Most people don't have a clear view of where their money goes. No emergency fund. One unexpected expense throws everything off. Lifestyle inflation. As income increases, so do expenses. Relying on credit. Debt becomes the band-aid, not the solution. Sound familiar? Don't worry, we're about to change that. What's the biggest challenge you face when trying to save money each month? Drop it in the comments. The first step to breaking free is knowing where every dollar goes. Start with a 30-day expense audit. Track every dollar you spend using apps like SoFi Insights, Mint, or even a Google Sheet. Categorize spending: essentials, non-essentials, debt payments, savings. Create a zero-based budget. Assign every dollar a job: rent, bills, savings, or debt. That way your income is fully accounted for. Tool mention: SoFi's budgeting tools give you real-time spending insights and goal tracking. If you're living paycheck to paycheck, the next unexpected bill can wipe you out. That's why your next step is building a starter emergency fund. Set a goal of $500 to $1,000. Keep it simple. Open a Chime High-Yield Savings Account to keep it separate from your checking. Automate small transfers. $25 to $50 a week adds up fast. This small cushion gives you peace of mind and breaks the debt cycle. Use the link in the description to get started with Chime and earn a bonus after your first direct deposit. What would you do with a $1,000 emergency fund right now? High-interest debt, especially credit cards, is a wealth killer. Here's how to start crushing it. Use the debt avalanche method. Pay off the highest interest rate first, or the debt snowball method. Pay off the smallest balance first for motivation. Consider tools like SoFi Personal Loans to consolidate high-interest debt, Chime Credit Builder Card to rebuild credit as you pay down debt. Check the description for debt payoff calculators and free resources. To stop living paycheck to paycheck, you have to make tough choices. Start by cutting or pausing subscriptions you rarely use, eating out multiple times a week, impulse Amazon purchases. Instead, cook at home. Use cashback apps. Budget a fun money amount so you don't feel restricted. This doesn't mean no fun. It means intentional fun. Tool tip: link your debit card to Fidelity Bloom to round up purchases and save the change. You can only cut so much. Eventually, you need to earn more. Here's how. Ask for a raise or promotion at your current job, freelance, or take on a side hustle. Sell digital products or start a blog. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Etsy are perfect starting points. Use your evenings and weekends to build income, not just scroll social media. If you could start a side hustle tomorrow, what would it be? Automation makes discipline effortless. Here's what to automate. Direct deposit into checking and savings. Auto pay for bills, debt, and investing. Recurring transfers to retirement accounts like Roth IRAs. Use Robinhood, Fidelity, or SoFi Invest to automate monthly contributions. Even just $50 a month gets the habit started. Get a free stock when you open a Robinhood account using my link below. Tax season is a chance to either move forward or fall behind. Here's how to maximize it. Use TurboTax or H&R Block to claim all credits: child tax, earned income, retirement savers. File early and apply your refund strategically. Emergency fund, debt, or investing. Avoid blowing your refund on a shopping spree. This is your opportunity to leap forward. File your taxes with TurboTax using the link below and get a discount on your return. What would you do with a $2,000 tax refund? Living paycheck to paycheck isn't just about money, it's about mindset. Millionaires aren't made by luck. They think long-term, live below their means. Invest in education and relationships. Focus on progress, not perfection. Build your mindset through books, podcasts, and mentors. Recommended books: Your Money or Your Life by Vicki Robert, The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. You don't have to live paycheck to paycheck forever. Let's recap. Audit your cash flow, build an emergency fund, crush your toxic debt, separate needs from wants, increase your income, automate your finances, maximize your tax refunds, develop the wealth mindset. This isn't a quick fix. It's a blueprint for lasting financial freedom. Download all mentioned tools and templates in the description. Get your free stock from Robinhood and your Chime bonus today. Comment below. Which step are you starting this week? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs it. Let's stop surviving and start thriving.